Welcome to Cloud Tools and Technologies YouTube channel. Please subscribe to my channel. In this video, I will quickly explain about the foreign keys. Foreign key is used to establish relationship between the two tables or a link between two tables. It also enforces integrity between tables. So primary key values of one table refer to another table. So let me show you a quick example. This is the Oracle Online SQL Developer tool within the Oracle cloud infrastructure. This is the employee table. Let me query this table. So you can see that employee table have three columns: employee ID, employee name, and employee city. So in employee name, Oliver, Steve, and Lee belongs to New York, which is repeating. New York is repeating with Oliver, Steve, and Lee. And Smith and Lester have Los Angeles, so Los Angeles is repeating with Smith and Lester. So I will divide this information to two tables, and will try to develop relationship between two table with primary and free as foreign key constraints. So in my example, I am using tbl underscore cities, which will act as a parent table in my example. Let me create this table. tbl underscore cities have two column, cities id, city id and city name. City id will act as a primary key. So table created successfully. After that, I will quickly insert three cities in it. So you can see that three rows inserted successfully. After that, when I try to query this table, you can see that New York, Los Angeles, Chicago. So there is no repetition within the TBL cities table now. So I will create another table, TBL underscore employees. TBL underscore employees table have three columns: employee ID, employee name, and employee city ID. Employee ID is act as a primary key. You can see that. And most important thing in this video is the foreign key. So employee city ID will act as a foreign key, and you can see there is foreign key, and it reference to the cities table, city ID column. So the data type of the employee city ID and the city ID column in the cities table will be the same, or will same. So let me create this table. Table created successfully. After that, before inserting values in the tbl underscore employee table, let me query the tbl underscore cities table. Let me show you that I am assigning Oliver with the New York, so New York has the one value. So Smith with the Los Angeles, and Los Angeles has the two value. So I am assigning the two. So similarly again with the Lee, I am assigning Chicago with the three value. So after building relationship between two tables, I am inserting the values of city ID columns in employees TBL employees table. So let me insert this one. All the rows inserted successfully. After that, you can see the referenced value in the employee underscore city ID column 1 2 1 2 3. So let me show you how to retrieve, how to join, how to get these values in query. So let me query tbl underscore employees table first. uh, this will be the inner join. I will explain you the inner join later, but let me show you how to get these value from the both table. So I will join with the tbl underscore cities table, and we will use on, and let me assign some alias employees tbl underscore e and tbl underscore city c. So I am using e dot employee underscore city id is equal to c dot city id. So I will use city id column so that join will be perfect. Let me query this one. So it will show all the columns in both tables. So I just need employee id, e dot employee id, employee id column, then this one, e dot employee underscore name, then I just need city name, which is c dot city underscore name. So after that, when I used inner join, you will see the result will be the same as I showed you earlier. One belong to the uh, uh, liver. Liver have the New York City. So if I try to let me query cities table again. So you can see that there is only three values reflecting New York, Los Angeles, and Chicago. When I try to insert in employees table with the five value, and you see that there is no five value exist in this table, it will throw an error. So if the error reflecting that no parent key found in the tbl underscore employee table, is tbl underscore employee tbl underscore cities table. So you can see that with the help of primary key and foreign key constraint, your data integrity will remain intact, so that your database design will be perfect if you implement these type of things in your database design. Thanks for watching.